guys, I'm back with another video, and I know this video I've been waiting for the longest. I've been trying to make a video, but as you can see, the weather has been a real big factor. School and at work, I've been working heavy lately, so I'm excited to do this video for y'all guys. And today I'm going to show you how to install LED lights into your interior of your car. And so these LED lights are by LED Glow, 7-color LED interior lights. So if we come to the car, it comes with 4 LED tubes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It comes with 4 of them. And also your control box, which has sound for when you're playing your music. It does different type of patterns of the colors. You can do different colors with the change of the mode feature in your on and off button. And then this is your like frequency of the colors when you're doing the music to the sound. And it comes with your zip ties to keep them in place. They also give you screws, and if you don't want to do the zip ties, you can use screws into your LED lights, and then the 3M tape to stick the control box to your desired location. All right, so step 1 will be, make sure you also have trim panel tools, because you never know when you'll need this. So you're gonna need that. If you guys are gonna use the screws, you're gonna have a screwdriver, of course. And then I got these like pliers, because in the video later on I'm gonna show you guys how to hook up your LED lights. To start it up, you might need an expandable circuit, or you might need to use a cigarette lighter to go into your cigarette lighter import. Alright, so we're taking it out the box, and it comes with the 4 tubes, the 4 LED tubes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it got your control box. It's your control box. And it also comes with zip ties and instructions. And instead of the zip ties, you could use screws here, but I'm gonna go with the zip ties because I feel like they're better able to support the LEDs in the car. It's gonna support the from falling out. All right, guys. So first step to do is find your first LED light desired location, and I prefer or recommend that you use your underneath your driver steering wheel, the dash trim panel here. For our 2004 Honda Civic EX, you're gonna have these little 2 knobs that you twist like that, and it comes right up and out, and that comes off. And then you're going to install it, I think, right here underneath this. And so you're gonna grab your first LED light here, and you're gonna put it underneath here. But you're gonna need your zip ties, so we're gonna put it right here. You're gonna need your zip ties. Need your zip ties. So put your zip tie. So probably go through here. This one's zip tie. Put the other one, let's see, it go through like this right here. That'd be perfect. And then the other one you can put like this. and then slide it through here like that. Okay guys, so now I got this bright spot for it, and now you want to tighten it. Tighten these zip ties. Now we cut this, when you got them zip tied, you cut the excess off. Like that. And then next step is to run another LED tube through the center console here, through here to the other side, to the passenger side. So we're gonna grab our second one. Grab the second one. And we're gonna find a way to put it through. For the second LED light location, we're gonna have to remove the glove box. So in order to remove the glove box, we have to pop these tabs here out. So this is what you're gonna have to do. Pop this out like this, if you can see it. Lift it up, comes right out. And this one, this, lift it up a little bit, boom. Comes right out. And then you can just let this drop. Like that. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna probably put it.
Go ahead, Ray.
Alright guys, so for our third LED tube, I find my desired location to be underneath the seat, underneath here, where your lever is to move your seat front and back. This lever here, underneath the seat. And again, to secure it onto the seat, we're gonna use 2 zip ties to keep them in place. And when you're done securing it, we could take this excess wire and tuck it underneath the center console panel. All right, so here's the finishing spot for the third LED tube. So if you want to take a look, go underneath the seat and show them what it looked like. So I put it underneath this lever here that keeps my seat going forward and back, so it's not in the way. Just gotta be careful with the wire over there in the corner. Okay guys, for the fourth LED tube, we're gonna route it through the center console, go through the to the passenger side, and put it underneath the seat like we did the third one right here, and we're gonna secure it with the zip ties. All right guys, I went to Home Depot because I know I needed a promoter, adhesive, 3M adhesive promoter to put on this area, because I went with just putting this tape on here and just applying it to the back of this, but it wouldn't stick and it fell right off. So I needed something that can make it a little stronger. So I went out to Home Depot and got this 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive, and this actually hopefully does the job. Let's find out. So on the back of the can, it says for the first directions you gotta shake well before using. So let's shake it up. Alright, and then turn nozzle so lip points to dot on can rim. Okay, so it's all well nice and shaken up. Now we're going to apply it to the back of that control box over there. And make sure when you're holding it, you hold it 6 to 8 inches away from wherever you're spraying. So let's move this out the way so we don't get this wet. Okay. It was probably good that we let that sit. Allow adhesive to dry until tacky, and then apply sufficient pressure to ensure complete contact. So usually between 30 and 90 seconds. Apply pressure. That should do it. Now we should grab, you can grab like a paper towel, or I will grab a wet cloth and wipe this excess off the edge. So in order to power the kit, I ordered a charger adapter instead of going with the expandable circuit like I was showing you before. I said, well shoot, I'll just go with this method and hook up the ground and the power wire. I think the ground goes to the black one, which is the blue, and then the power wire goes to the red. And so, sorry, that's my brother in the background playing. But no, the adapter will go into the car charger outlet here, and then I'll connect these two wires into that blue and red. But first I have to strip one of the wires because I messed up and end up cutting it. See, you can't see it because normally, see, I cut it, but normally it should look like this because they already come pre-wired. See, I'm trying to get it to look like this again, so I got to strip the wire. If you want, all the stuff that I'm going to be using in this video will be in the link in the description below. Alright, so the first step in stripping the wire, you have to find the right gauge. So on this crimp tool, you have different gauges. So you got to put it in between where you want it to strip at, so you feel it out. You just got to feel it, the right gauge for the wire. And once you get it, you twist it.
I could have made the video.
And then boom, there you go. So it was a 16. You needed a 16 gauge. Get rid of that. So now you have your two preset wires, your ground wire, and this is your power wire. The red one's the power and the black one is the ground. Then you take your charger adapter and you open it.
I want to be in the video. I couldn't even probably zoom in. Because I know what he's...
This goes into your charger outlet. You look at the color wires. So the black one goes with black, red goes with red. So you put the black one in here. And when you put it all the way in, you want to crimp it down. You can use your crimp tool. Stop.
Get him from the road. Get him. Get him now.
It's set. You want to tug on it and make sure it's secure. It's secure. You put your red one in. Do the same thing. Make sure it's snug, so it's set. Now we can hook up the negative battery cable from under your hood. So let's go out the car. Do that.
Can I hold? Ow.
Tight. Alright, so we're going to clean this area up with the wires with the zip tie. And so we're going to wrap them up in zip ties and hide them underneath the trim so that we don't see them. Make it look a little nice. Alright guys, we hooked up the charger to the charger outlet. I'm thinking about taking this out and wrapping it through the back around and come through here, because so this wouldn't be in the way of this, so I can put, like, you know, drinks and stuff and make it look nice. But anyway, the lights are on. I got it on blue. You can't really see a good quality of it right now because it's not nighttime, but when I come back at night, I'll show you what it looked like. Alright y'all guys, here's the after results of my LED lights. I think I just made my car a lot more racier. JDM for life, you know what I mean? You got it with the all blue to match the interior, and then it got different features. Hold on, it's got different features if you push this button. Here's the fade mode. Yeah, that's the fade mode. Look at that.